Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and the first thing I always get when I purchase a new phone is a good case, something that's going to protect it when I drop it a million times. So this is an OtterBox. It's the Commuter series in blue, and I just am obsessed with the color. You can see how sturdy the case is. I love that it has a bevel around where the cameras are, so when you lay it flat, the camera lenses don't touch the surface you're laying it on. And it also comes in two pieces, which offers double the protection. The first is like a silicone soft piece that you can put on the phone, and then the hard shell case on the outside. And I love that it protects your plug in for charging there. It prevents dust and things from getting in there, and you still have really easy access to your buttons. They work great, and it's really easy to use the toggle for muting as well. So if you're in the market for a beautiful phone case, definitely check out OtterBox. Not only does it offer the best protection, but this color is so pretty as well. It's going to do a great job at protecting your new phone, which is what matters most, and that's my point of view.